Hello everyone. In this short video, I will quickly show you how to delete any file or video clip that is on this timeline in the CapCut program. This instruction is suitable for Windows-based computers or laptops. So let's move our file to the timeline, or imagine that it is already there. The first way to delete this file. Select it. Next, simply click on this trash bin icon, which is easily recognizable and called Delete. Click, the file is deleted. It's very simple. Everyone can do it. So, the second way, hold down the left mouse button and select our files or project that is on this timeline. Then press the delete key on your computer or laptop keyboard. Done. And the file is deleted again. It's very simple. I would appreciate it if you like this video or subscribe to the channel. All the best.